Hey everyone, welcome back to Mikey Conquers the Kitchen. Today we're making Chef Ann Burrell's excellent meatballs, except we're throwing the oven and the frying pan out the window and putting everything in the air fryer instead. Ann was a huge inspiration for me, so this one's a tribute to her. Plus, the best part, almost zero cleanup because nobody's got time for scrubbing pans tonight. Let's do this. And hey, if you love quick recipes like this one, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss the next tasty experiment. First up, sweating the onions and garlic. Toss one diced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, some salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes in some oil and seal them up in a foil packet so they don't burn. Set your air fryer to 375 and let them go for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring halfway. No stovetop equals no mess equals happiness. When they come out, they'll be soft, fragrant, and making your kitchen smell like an Italian grandma just gave you a hug. While the onions and garlic cool, let's build these meatballs. Grab a big bowl and add 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, a big handful of chopped parsley, a generous pinch of salt, and some pepper, and here's a pro tip straight from Ann, about a half cup of water. Sounds weird, but it keeps them super juicy. Add in the onions and garlic once they're cooled, and get your hands in there. Mix until combined. Over mixing, that's for people making hockey pucks. We want juicy meatballs. And always do a tiny test patty because under-seasoned meatballs, that's a tragedy we can easily avoid. This one needs a little more salt. Thanks for the tip, Ann. Time to roll these into meatballs about the size of a golf ball. And don't worry about perfect shapes. Even rustic meatballs taste fancy. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees. Then lay the meatballs in a single layer with a bit of space between them. The hot air needs a little room to dance around them. Cook for 12 to 14 minutes, flipping halfway like you're playing a tiny meatball version of soccer. No oil splatter, no greasy pans, just crispy meatballs with an awesome crust. And look at that. Perfectly cooked all the way through. Chef Ann would be proud. And there you have it. Air fried meatballs with a crisp outside and juicy center. No messy cleanup, no babysitting a skillet. Just a big bowl of comfort food that's weeknight friendly and Ann approved. Honestly, these rival the classic version. The crust is crunchy, the inside is tender, and all those flavors, onion, garlic, parsley, parmesan, come together like a taste symphony. If you like this video, or just hate washing dishes, hit that like and subscribe button for more easy recipes and tasty experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.